2 weeks of big-time price hikes and gas pump prices have left a whole lot of public transport drivers hurting. Thus, government has scrambled to ease their economic pain with some badly needed cash relief from DSWD's Assistance to Individuals in Crisis Situations program. Our Maribel Custodio has more on the tricycle driver sector in the megacity, which got first dibs on the 5,000 cash handout from the DSWD in this report.
Minardo has been working as a tricycle driver in Pasay for 10 years. He admits that he and his family are feeling the impact of continuous increase in petroleum product prices due to tension in the Middle East. Because of this, the 5,000 pesos cash relief assistance from the Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD under the Assistance to Individuals in Crisis Situations or AICS program is a big help to him and his family. He went early to the Cuneta Astrodome to receive the aid, which he plans to use to help cover his fuel expenses.
Pasalamat rin kami na mayroon kami suporta sa amin pang-araw-araw. Sa makauwi na lang ng 400. Tamang-tama lang sa ulam.
Meanwhile, Brian made a few trips before heading to the Pacquiao Covered Court Sports Complex in Bagumbong, Caloocan. Within 2 minutes, he was able to receive his cash relief assistance. He plans to immediately buy fuel so he can continue working.
Sobrang apektado po kami kasi yun lang po ang hanap buhay namin.
Magkano na lang yung kinikita ninyo kada araw?
Minsan, sapat na lang po.
The distribution of cash relief assistance is being conducted simultaneously across 30 identified sites in 17 local government units. An estimated 139,000 tricycle drivers in Metro Manila are expecting to benefit from the program. Beneficiaries are only required to bring their original driver's license along with a photocopy for verification. The DSWD has also deployed help desks to promptly address any questions and concerns of the beneficiaries.
May 2 araw pa po tayo ng payout. So ang ibig sabihin, kung nagtatanong pa rin kayo kung kailan ang schedule nyo, makipag-ugnayan lang kayo sa inyong mga lokal na pamahalaan. Huwag muna kayo pupunta sa payout center para hindi mo maubos ang inyong oras, kundi makipag-ugnayan kayo sa inyong mga local governments kung kailan ang schedule nyo.
Tricycle drivers are advised to follow the schedule set by their respective local government to ensure a more orderly and efficient process. This also aims to ensure that there is still tricycle operating to avoid disruption of public service. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.